In this video, I'm going to explain to you the 4 ways to make money with Amazon. So, the first way to make money with Amazon is with retail arbitrage. What is retail arbitrage? So, retail arbitrage is when you go to the store, for example, Target, and inside the store, you're going to be scanning different products to see if they are profitable or not to resell on Amazon. So you're going to be scanning item by item using a scanning app like Seller Amp or AC Insight, which you're going to find links at the bottom of this video. And you're going to calculate, you're going to enter the cost, for example, $5 that it costs to buy it at Walmart or Target. And then the app will tell you how much profit you stand to make. Let's say 10% ROI, 20% ROI. And yes, you are able to find products this way. The main problem with this approach is that it's extremely time consuming, and I have tried it myself at the very, very beginning of my journey on Amazon. You're going to find yourself hopping from store to store to store, and many times you're going to come out of the store without finding a single product. And you're going to start feeling a sense of frustration that you just spend 1 or 2 hours of your life without finding a single product. Even more importantly, this business model, in my opinion, is not sustainable. Yes, you might be able to find a bunch of products in one store one day, but guess what? The next day, you might find 0 products. Every business needs 2 elements. Sustainability, meaning you can find the same amount of products and sell around the same amount of products every time, and scalability, meaning that you are slowly getting yourself out of the picture. That way you manage to scale the business big to make more and more money. So in my opinion, retail arbitrage, going from store to store, trying to find different items, yes, it is possible. Many people have been doing it for years and make a good amount of money per month, but it's not my preferred method. That was method number 1. Let's go to method number 2. Method number 2 is online arbitrage. Now, this is what I have been doing for years. Online arbitrage to resell on Amazon FBA. And what is online arbitrage? Online arbitrage, you are never going to leave your house if you don't want to. Everything happens from your computer. And the advantage of this, many advantages, but one of the main ones is that you can do it from home and you can do it any time of the day you want. If you're a night owl, you can do it at 3 a.m. If you are vacationing in Thailand, you can do it from Thailand. So it's not place specific, it's not time specific. And you can also outsource part of the prepping to a prep center. You don't have to prep everything yourself. And you can potentially do a lot of tax savings, because if you send all your inventory that you buy online to a prep center that is located in a tax-exempt state like Delaware, Oregon, Montana, to name a few, then those products, when you buy from the retail shops, are not gonna be taxable. You're gonna be saving anywhere from 7 to 9% depending on your state. So it's very efficient. To do online arbitrage, you're going to need a few tools. The number 1 tool that I recommend that is absolutely essential is a profitability calculator like Seller Amp, for example, or AC Insight. Here is Seller Amp, for example, and here is AC Insight. You can find discounts and free trials for both tools in the description in my video. The other tool that is essential is a tool called Keepa. And Keepa, what it is a Chrome extension that you download. It lives on your browser, and it will help you calculate if the item is profitable or not. Let me give you an example. So here we have an item, Lego, and right now it's selling the average 30-day average is 191, 197 is the 90-day average, and the 180-day average is 212. What does this all mean? Well, this is our profitability calculator right here. And again, it's an extension that you install in your browser. And if you scroll down, this is your Keepa extension right here. And I'm going to explain Keepa in another video, but basically what it does is it calculates how the price fluctuates over an extended amount of time and the competitors that you're competing against. And based on all that, you can see if the opportunity is there or not. So for example, let's say I'm finding this Lego at Target for $150. Right here, $150. So you would enter $150 as the buy cost. And we know that it's right now selling at $199.99. Well, that immediately tells me that I am losing $13. And this is negative 6% ROI. So that's a big no-no. So what can we do about it? Then it's up to us to find a better deal. So let's say we continue shopping around and we find it at walmart.com and we find it, let's say, at $120. Boom, now it's ROI of 9%, and every time this sells is $16. And I'm calculating a prep center fee of $3. I'm also calculating the storage cost, the referral fees for Amazon FBA. All this profitability calculator is calculating all the costs already for me automatically. I just need to enter the cost and the best estimation on how much this item is selling for. And of course, I'm going to dedicate a full video on how to properly source using the online arbitrage model that I can't go into right now. But I wanted to give you a preview. And it's very easy to shop for deals. Many stores offer either credit card specifics to, for example, Target offers a rec card that gives you 5% off on every purchase. They offer like right now, they are offering for toys. If you buy $50 worth of toys, you get $10 off. So you're basically getting a 20% discount on every single item that you buy. And the same for every single store. Sometimes they have clearances and sometimes they have massive discounts that you can take advantage. The same way that you would get discounts by doing the retail arbitrage model, but with the difference that you don't need to look for those discounts in the store. You can get alerted on your email from those discounts, and you can actually go on the website. It's a much more comfortable business model and way more scalable than retail arbitrage. Now, for the third business model is wholesale. Wholesale, you can make a lot of money doing wholesale. The only challenge here is that you have to build direct relationships and partnerships with the suppliers, distributors, or wholesale manufacturer owners of that product. So once you have those, the problem here is that many of them don't allow people, resellers, to sell on Amazon. They either want to sell themselves or they don't want to sell on Amazon at all. But if you do find those partnerships, wholesale is a model that you can quickly scale, and it's a very profitable model. I have personally very gently dipped my toes in the wholesale model, and I like it, but I do find online arbitrage much more appealing, way more scalable, and in honesty, way more fun than wholesale. So that's my primary business model is online arbitrage. Now for the fourth business model is private label. Private label is when you order a product from a site like Alibaba.com, for example, And in this website, you're going to be reaching out to different suppliers. Um, this is as you probably know, a website based out of China. There's a lot of scams, although there is a lot of legitimate opportunities as well. I know a lot of people that do millions, literally millions in net profit with the private label model, but I personally don't like it. There is just too much initial capital involved and a lot of risk. If you think about it, you need to put your trust in these Chinese suppliers. And although they may be legitimate, now you're depending on them shipping this huge container or thousands of units to you. And are they going to be legitimate units? Are they going to be fakes or knockoffs that could potentially put your Amazon account at risk? In my opinion, private label, yes, huge payoff if done well, but also huge risk if done badly. Again, my favorite is online arbitrage. And in future videos, I'm going to show you exactly my techniques on how to source items using the online arbitrage model. Well, that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Do me a huge favor and like the video and subscribe to the channel. This really helps the channel and it helps me continue to get motivated to bring you great information. Also, if you want to check out all the tools that I use for my Amazon business, you can find the links down at the bottom in the video description. There you're going to have discounts, free trials. I also have a Discord channel that is full of information and we can discuss things at a whole different level. So hope to see you there as well and hope to see you on the next video.